Here's how to create engaging Instagram Reels using AI tools and without having to show your face. For this, we are going to use ChatGPT to generate our script, 11 Labs to give us a voiceover, then we're going to go on to Canva to get a B-roll, and lastly, we are going to join them all in CapCut. So if you're just meeting, my name is Peris, and I love to share tools and tips to help you with digital marketing. So if you'd like to build a strong presence online, ensure you subscribe to the channel. Also give the video a big thumbs up, and without further ado, I want to show you exactly how to create the Instagram Reels. So we're going to go to ChatGPT to generate our script. I'm going to give it my prompt. Give me 3 TikTok video tips for a small business owner. Make them short, conversational, and actionable. Enter that. So we're going to copy our tips. Then we're going to take them to 11 Labs so that we can generate a voiceover. So copy that. Then we'll go to 11 Labs here. So 11 Labs is a text-to-speech software. You can also use it to clone your voice. So you can use it for free and you can also use the paid plans. So for free, you're going to get around 10,000 characters per month. You can also create up to 3 custom voices. So I'm okay to use the free version right now. Now something to note here is that you also have to give attribution to 11 Labs. We have the speech synthesis, that's what we want to use. So we have voices here that you can use. So we have pre-made Adam, Anthony, all these people. I can use this pre-made Bella there. You can also adjust the voice settings here. I'm going to leave it as default. And so to get a voiceover for our text, we just need to paste the text here. So we can see that we have 842 characters out of 2,500. That is what you get for each time you want to use it. So you can see that my remaining ones are 9,810. So you'll see it counting down. Now once you've pasted it here, just click on generate. So if I play what it has given us here.
Hey there, small business owner. Tip number 1 for TikTok success. Keep it short and snappy. Capture attention within the first few seconds and make your point quickly.
You see, so that's really awesome. I think I'm going to use that voice as is. So what you do next is that you click on this download icon so that you can download the voiceover. We are now going to head over to Canva so that we can create some B-roll for our text. So what we want to keep in mind is what the text is about. So we can see that the first tip is to keep it short and snappy and to capture the attention within the first few seconds. The second tip is to get creative, that is being unique and authentic. And the third one is to engage with the audience, that is in comments, answers, and questions. So those are the things we want to keep in mind when we are creating the B-roll. So it's also important to note the time duration. So you can see the time duration here is 54 seconds. That's important because we're going to use that when we are in Canva. So when we head over to Canva now, click on create a design and then we are going to type in here Insta, so that it's going to give us some Instagram designs here. So what we want is the Instagram story video. That's what we want to use. So we have our blank canvas here. We can begin looking for some B-roll to use. So we're going to search here for recording a video. We want a video of a person recording a video. We are also going to ensure that we're searching under the vertical orientation. So now we have some videos to choose from here. We can use this one as the first one. So set video as background there. So we can see this one is 28 seconds long. For the second one, we're going to look for something that rhymes with our second tip, which is about a personality and also authenticity. So we are in video again. Remember, we are on the vertical orientation. So I think I could use this one here. We're going to make it the background of that particular one. And then we're going to go on to the next one. So for the last one is about engagement. So we're going to try and find something like that. So I've typed out engaging with video. Let's see what we get. So we can use this one. My video is now 58 seconds long. And remember the other one was 54 seconds. So this is something that we can work with. We can now download it. So to download, just click on share here. Click on download. It's going to download as an MP4. Once it's done downloading, you can now head over to CapCut and then you can combine them so that you can be able to get one video. Now important to note here is that you can either use CapCut on the online editor or you can download it to your PC so that you can be able to use it from there. In my experience, it's easier to download it and just use it on your PC. In that way, you have less glitches. So I'm going to import my videos here. So we have the video here and then we have the audio here. So I'm going to drag both of them onto this clip here. This is where we are going to edit our video from. So let's play this so that you can be able to edit it.
Hey there, small business owner. Tip number 1 for TikTok success. Keep it short and snappy. Capture attention within the first few seconds and make your point quickly. People have short attention spans, so get to the heart of your message right away.
Okay, so that's the first one there. So I'm going to cut this here. Just press on this split so that you split both of them. Now we are on to the next section. So now we have to zoom in a little bit so that we ensure that our video is starting. As the person says, tip number 2 is where the second video begins. So we'll just cut this top part here.
Number 2, be unique and authentic. Show off your brand's personality and let your creativity shine through. Whether it's showcasing your products, sharing behind-the-scenes moments, or creating fun challenges, let your TikTok content reflect your brand's identity.
Okay, so now we have a challenge here because our second video has ended before the tip ended. So what we're going to do is that we're going to lengthen that part of the video. So we go to speed and then we are going to slow it down, maybe until there, so that it takes longer. Let's see where that ends.
Moments or creating fun challenges, let your TikTok content reflect your brand's identity.
We still need to make it a bit slower, so maybe at around there. Let's see what it looks like now.
Fun challenges. Let your TikTok content reflect your brand's identity. Ready for tip number 3? Engage with your audience. Reply to comments, answer questions, and participate in trends and challenges. Building a loyal community is key, so make your followers feel valued. Interacting with them will boost your visibility and foster meaningful connection.
Okay, so I think that's okay. We'll ensure that this one ends here. So now you can add in other things into your video. You could, for example, add to this one an effect. You could go to animation here and then you can decide you want to add different animations to that, different effects to that. But I want to show you how to add auto captions here. So you click on text and then you click on auto captions, and then we'll have it as English. You can choose another language if you want. Then we're going to click on create so that it can create the auto captions for us. So once the captions are generated, there are these ones in brown. You can add the font size, you can change how the text appears, and then once you're done, you can download your video. So I'm going to add the font size here. You can see that the font size is changing now. We're also going to change how it looks like here. You can also make it bold or you can italicize it. You can change the color. You can also give it a background. You can give it a glow. All these things you can do. You can also change how it comes in. That's the animation here. So I could click on animation so that you can choose one for our video. We can use this one here. The other thing is that you can be able to edit the words of your captions individually. Just click on captions here and you can see them here. You can also drag the text box up and down. Ensure that you stay within the blue lines. That's the safe area. So at this point, you can play back your video to see what it looks like. And once you're satisfied that it is okay, we want to go into exporting it. Now, in the aspect ratio here, you want to ensure that you select 9:16. Then you click on export. So that's how easy it is to make Instagram Reels using AI tools without necessarily showing your face. If you want to learn more about how to use CapCut, you can watch this video here. Remember to subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.